Hello, buddy.
Oh, I've never seen a horse like that before. Yeah, sometimes. What episode? 6? There's only been one day.
Yeah.
Really? What is up, guys? We are back, episode 6. We hope you've been enjoying the series so far. We've been having a fantastic time, but we are so excited to bring you this very, very special episode. You know, I've been living in America my whole life. I love the state of Arizona, so I thought I would take my good friend Gabriel Cruz from Australia to see the Grand Canyon finally for his first time. He's never been here. I've been here once before. It's a very nice time, so I wanted to share that experience.
You've been more places here than me, dude. I've been living here my whole life.
We are on the road. We are literally pulling up to the entrance to the Grand Canyon. We didn't realize that you have to pay to get in right now, so we're gonna manage that. Then we're gonna, you know, Grand Canyon's kind of like a great big bowl. It's kind of like a vert bowl. So we're gonna go see if we can make JD proud. Maybe drop in
on the Grand Canyon.
Yo, it's only $80 for a lifetime pass.
Really?
Dang,
Yeah.
Should we get that? $80 of a lifetime pass. Leave it in the comments below. Should we buy it right now?
Wow. Game of skate in the Grand Canyon?
Yeah. So you know, we're gonna have a look around, tourist out a bit, and take our boards, see what we see. Maybe get a quick game of skate.
If we should go on a hike, leave it in the comments below, even though
Yeah,
we've already been long
I'm in
gone.
there commenting right now. Yes, please hike, please. But yeah, guys, this is really exciting. We're gonna get right to it.
Obviously, Dan, you may or may not be able to use any of that, but
You know, last year I came to the Grand Canyon, and this is an unexpected trip to the Grand Canyon, so I forgot how I look.
I have a question for you, Gabe. Were bikes invented before horses?
no.
Hello, how you doing?
Hello, good, thank you.
Good. Do you have a national park pass?
Nah, does this work?
I don't know if it's tap. Oh! Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Where's your best skate spots?
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Dang, come back on the way home, Rick.
Dang. All right, we are in business.
Skating even allowed here?
Hey, this is
All right.
this is gonna be a grand old time.
I know the title game. Mole grabbing at the Grand Canyon. And we go on a hike and we have to mole grab the whole time.
Yes, that's a good one. I'm doing some extensive research on the internet, and I found out that inline skating is actually allowed here at the Grand Canyon. So what I think we should do, Rick, is just skate in a line.
Dang, that's a good idea, Gabriel Cruz.
Thank you. Thank you. I really had to go deep
Fantastic idea.
for that.
You know what I would
Let's
like
do
to do though? Go into the sand and walk along the trail. Dang! That's a big desert bighorn sheep. Literally says big in its name. That's how you know we're in the right place. The Gabe Cruz section. Boom and boom.
I can't. If I see a scorpion, I will be so hyped.
Oh, dude, I will be very hyped too. We are, where are we? We're on the north side. Oh, okay, look, kilometers instead of miles. Let's go.
There's kilometers and miles,
But
Rick.
kilometers is on top.
Oh,
First thought.
because it's smaller.
I didn't realize it's this long.
It's the Grand Canyon, brother. It's not the mediocre canyon.
It's very true.
You know,
Average canyon.
you know, the Grand Canyon is so large that people in Utah get a different view than people in Arizona.
Yeah. Doesn't it span through like 3 different states?
Don't come at me with that one. Look, I thought
He got you.
he's trying to set me up. He's like, doesn't it? It's like waiting for someone to answer it, and then the comments like, no, it actually doesn't.
It's like a South Park character right there. I like that.
Look, where is this visitor center?
This is grand.
It's pretty average.
Oh, there we go. Look. All right.
We're already here?
Why are you not film? I need to film. This is your first time. What the
Please.
heck?
I'm honored,
What's your
bro.
initial reaction?
I'm shook.
Don't be shook.
You're not even
Be
at the
ready.
canyon yet. My heart is racing, and I
Why?
don't know if it's because I'm overweight and unhealthy, or if it's because I'm
What
excited.
the heck?
It's because we had Chick-fil-A for breakfast and dinner.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, this is grand.
Is that Europe on the other side?
Hold on.
Oh,
Wait, hold on,
what's
Rick.
going
Hold on? on. I gotta take a moment.
Take a breath.
Gotta prepare myself for this.
Just know the other side is Utah.
I know what we need right now. Barrel flip.
Should I?
Right there, yeah.
Should I just drop a
Barrel
flip
flip
right quick?
and then in a line with your first experience.
All right, Rick, you gotta get me for a TikTok then. I've never been to the Grand Canyon before. I'm really excited to be here. I'm honored to be here. Thank you, Braille, for making that happen. Got to do a varial flip, walk over, see it for the first time.
Live it.
Let's go see it. Let's go see it. Holy crap! It looks like we're in an airplane.
This is actually insane.
How is this real? Dude, it's so big, I can't even tell how big it is.
This is actually a hologram.
Yeah, this is for
the
sure a green screen.
It is really green screen.
Dude, that right there is another cliff to another like 2,000 foot drop off.
I can't believe the water carved this in tens and tens of years.
And now it's that.
I'm shook.
The other side is Utah.
Look, that rock's ready to fall. Should we try to knock it off?
No.
Knock it off, Rick. Do you think anyone's ever done a varial flip here?
Never.
You.
Do you think I might be the first person to ever do a
Yes,
varial
I
flip here at
think
the Grand
let's
Canyon?
call Guinness right now. First varial flip in Grand Canyon.
I'm actually like close to tears. I'm
You
kinda
should be.
shook.
You're doing your best part to keep them alive.
There's a stair set over there.
Oh my god, there's a Hey, let's go up there and build up to over there.
Hello, buddy. Whoa! Whoa! Aussie Dan, look at this squirrel.
Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy.
Oh my. Please stay there.
I want your water. I'm always thirsty.
Sorry.
No, he's chilling. He's chilling. No
You
way.
see the moose?
Whoa,
Whoa.
Literally right there.
Oh, is that what those were in the beginning too?
Oh no.
Yeah.
Aussie Dan, I'm sorry if this has been out of autofocus. I got surprised.
No.
I was caught off guard by the squirrel.
He bit you?
He like didn't bite, but grabbed my hand.
With his hand or is it?
Yeah, that was
He
scary.
grabbed you?
Yeah, I felt his claws and everything. That was
Like,
scary.
that's a nice looking peanut there.
Dude, I'm shook.
I would not have known what to tell your mom.
You
if
know,
he ate you.
you know the movie It?
Yeah. You just wanted water?
I found another scorpion right there.
No way.
Look.
It's not a scorpion, dude.
You think it's a Scorpio?
It's like a chinchilla or something.
Did you look at the moose?
No, Mowgli got bit by the squirrel.
Really? Did you
Not
actually?
bit. He
Bro,
grabbed
you
my
got
hand.
rabies
He-
now.
He grabbed my
Keep
hand.
that mouse gonna get the rabies away from me.
What? Where's the bite?
Alright, blood brothers.
Look, where's the bite?
See
He
ya.
grabbed my finger like that. You know what I felt? I felt like he was gonna
Look.
throw me. I was scared.
Face your
It's
fear,
not a
Gabriel.
fear. The
Let's
animal.
face it.
We must respect.
Gabe, there's literally a 5-year-old kid over there.
You
Yeah,
have to be safe.
it will kill you, not Rick.
Exactly.
Nah, it can kill Rick too. Yeah, hold the board ready. Hold the board ready, Gabe.
I've never seen a horse like that before.
Elks are used to people, you know.
You survived, Gabe. How do you feel?
You're the only person I know that would see a grizzly bear and be like, Gabe, let's face your fears. Let's go try
Yes,
to tame it.
we should.
No, we shouldn't.
It's a good idea.
Hey, that was the best varial flip ever done in the Grand Canyon. Just think
true.
about that.
Alright. The moose is over there. We feel safe over here. Scorpions all around. Rattlesnakes hiding.
Killer squirrels on the loose.
Squirrels trying to throw us over.
Oh my god. It's absurd.
I'm shook. It tried to bite my shoe or something.
How do you feel, Mo?
Still traumatized.
I just love saying about the way that he said that.
It's like it didn't bite me, but it like faked it.
It like it gave you a little wake up call.
Yeah, I'm like, don't ever trust an animal. Like I'm for them,
You're an
but
animal.
I'm not gonna get close to them like that anymore.
You know you're an animal?
Dude, I had no idea Elgato made green screens this large. This is insane. It's beautiful.
It does feel like that, huh?
Well, when I tell you I don't think I've ever seen anything like this in my life, I think I would not be lying. I'm not capping at all. I've never seen anything even remotely close to as... I don't want to say grand because I feel like that's overused, but literally, the name suits.
Grandiose.
Grandiose. The epic canyon.
Gargantuan crevice.
The green screen canyon.
Hey, pretty good 3-block right here.
Reminded me of all the all-terrain.
Triple set right here. 3 flat, 3 flat, 3.
Dip off here.
Crazy. No.
Oh, look at the. No, look at these crystals right here.
Keep going.
I feel like my life has more meaning, but it also makes me feel smaller and more insignificant in the grand scheme of things.
I feel like we maybe should go to the visitor center and be like, do you know where Bob Banquet's skate park is? I wonder where
Seriously,
he did
like
it.
you're ever contemplating your life, go and look at that, and then realize how small and insignificant our problems actually are. Look at that. if I were to walk from here to there, I would forget about anything except for this is very far. You know?
Well, think about it. People used to just have horses and like have to travel through this.
Look, I got a tear in my eye.
Yeah, how would you get through this? Huh? Life takes care of us. That's what I always say.
Manifest destiny.
Take a hang glider. Oh! Do you think you could skate the Grand Canyon if you had all-terrain wheels?
Yeah, easy.
Right there.
Just drop it. Would love to do a skate trick in front of this beautiful view. Maybe back three, no comply. We'll see.
Come on, Rick. Get it. 3 flip.
I'm ready for it. The demo. My first demo at the Grand Canyon.
Come on, Rick. That's your shape. My board's for sure gone if he's doing impossible.
Dude, that guy reminds me of the second fighter in Super Punch Out.
You gotta clean that up, Rick. Come on. Everyone. So, you know, we've been filming our TikToks. We've been getting some slow motion clips for the video. We're really just trying to take it all in. It's not very often that we get to see something as incredible as this is right now. And, you know, there's not many words that can just describe this, but I think the Grand Canyon really embodies one really important thing to me, and that's keeping varial flips alive. So, right now,
You know what you have to do.
I know what I have to do. This is what I was born to do. Literally. This is my birthright, Rick. Now really out here sessioning the Grand Canyon, huh?
Hey, it's more skatable than we thought, huh?
I know, right? Oh, perfect. He knew. He knew I was filming that. Hey, you know the trail ground is pretty good flat, huh?
It actually is good flat. This is kind of like the road back in my house where I grew up. You know, it feels good, Gabriel, to be out and about, get some air, go for a hiking with the fam. We got one skateboard between 4. I feel like that's kind of nice, you know? Don't do that often. I think it's nice.
Real bonding experience.
Yeah.
Oh, I see the spot. This looks amazing.
Beautiful.
Wow. Why you freaked me out, Rick?
You freaked me out.
Dude, what the hell? That's scary.
Risking your phone.
I know.
You're just looking for a reason to get the new one.
Yeah, I know, right?
The heel waist cap?
The heel way, you never bail. This way, you bail sometimes.
What
Do
am I doing?
10 and see if you bail 1. Oh!
You're good, you're
1
good.
out of 8. That's 1 out of 8.
You're good.
So what do I do? Just go right here? Just
Wait.
stare at the camera and just do it?
What are you gonna say?
Nothing.
No, you gotta put it out. You can't.
Out?
Yeah.
Dude,
How are you gonna just
What
just
the
say,
heck?
look at the camera? There you go. That's what I'm talking. Yeah, do your last trick while you can. You're making him do it where he has no chance if he messes up. Right there. Perfect. This is perfect view. Oh, have confidence in yourself.
Devin is gonna be hyped. Got it.
stress
Got it.
No witnesses.
We need an audience.
Yeah.
Live. Oh my goodness. How many people believe Gabe got this? Look at that. The edge. I don't even want to walk near there.
Imagine hang gliding off this. Low level gang?
What are you doing?
Oh. It's kind of crazy that this rock is perfectly leveled. 1 stair, 2 stair, 3 stair.
Like this. Risk?
Very risk.
I haven't seen Mowgli in a bit. I wonder where he is. Oh, he's right there. What are you doing? What is
I could not have expected anything else.
That's why I don't want to use them.
Oh, we found Cookie Monster.
Business is warm.
Yeah.
All right.
But don't worry about it. You can keep the photo.
Thank you.
That is not how I thought that would go.
Bro, there's a hand there.
He's getting the cookie.
And they're feeling that.
Oh my god.
Imagine the photos you get on this thing.
Oh my god. Spotting? Yeah. TikTok? Yeah.
Crook? Really? I've never done a crook on those trucks, brother. You better be careful.
Cricket grind the Grand Canyon. Let's go. That was exhilarating.
That was insane.
You like skateboarding?
Hell yeah.
All right, everyone. This was us skating at the Grand Canyon. Words cannot explain how beautiful this place is. This is very different than any video we usually do, but we really wanted to get out, experience something new, and take you along with us. So if you want us to do more content like this, where we go out into the world and explore and see the beautiful places that our planet has to offer, definitely let us know in those comments below. This is episode 6 of our Arizona, New Mexico tour. Stay tuned for episode 7 at 10 a.m. tomorrow Pacific Standard Time. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave those comments below. And if you have the chance to come here to the Grand Canyon, do it. It is grand. It is breathtaking. It is grand. It is breathtaking. It is beautiful. And we want you to learn how to skate.